Yeah, so Boracay, beautiful island here in Philippines. Super, it's hot, the weather's lovely, and look at the views. Look at that. Very, very nice. It's very affordable as well. Had like a seafood meal yesterday. Had some seafood rice, some crab, crab noodles or crab pasta, a stuffed squid or calamari, which was massive, 2 drinks, and that all came up to like £22. So very good price as well. Beautiful view. People are friendly as well. And yeah, just overall a lovely vibe here. Very chilled. It's just like the Caribbean. It's crazy. You would think you're in the Caribbean. It's very, very nice. And it's only like an hour flight from Manila. So not bad at all. Back on the strip. Sun's out. And it is cooking again. Got a live PA here nice and early. Hello. Lovely seafood, good prices as well. You can eat very cheap here. Look at that view though. Lovely, isn't it? They must be hot. They got a full shirt and trousers on. I don't know how they do it, man. Yeah, exactly. And shoes as well. It's impressive. And they're not even sweating. And check this out. They update this every day with a new date. Yeah, it's cooking. You can see this, right? Sweating up the place. But it's all good. It's worth it. Some nice little spots along here. Saboria. Looks lovely. Yeah, there you go. Pad Thai veggie omelette. That's different. All right, the best on the island, yeah? All right. My man says the best shakes on the island. I wonder. All the workers here just chilling in the shade. Makes sense. It is cooking out here. Scream. What's this? Ice cream. And it's very clean here, isn't it? It's very clean, right?
Yeah.
Your hair is very clean. Much cleaner than the beach was in Seminyak. 100%. Look at this. Lovely. Big sand. Big boats. Big water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, these things are really cool. Yeah. These things are very cool. How much they charging? So, 3.5k for 30 minutes. That's not a bad price, to be fair. These look fun. They've got a little engine and you float up in the water. It's like a motored, what's it called? Surfboard.
What are you watching?
Back here, look at this. Little homes. That's quite nice.
Like Airbnbs, probably.
Yeah, got little huts here for rental, for Airbnb, etc. Quite a cool location. Very shaded anyway. Yeah. I quite like that. Then you got the water right there. You can stay in the little spots here. Check it out. Approaching Willy's Rock. That little spot over there, you can walk across to it. The water's quite shallow supposedly, but we'll soon find out. Check it out. Water's super shallow here. Clear as well, crystal clear. Look at that, there's fish everywhere. And look, you can come walk up to the steps. So you can walk to Willy's Rock on foot. Bring your valuables along. You can have a little bag that's up on your chest or something, you'll be fine. It's that shallow. And it's quite cool here. It's cooler here than it is on the land, definitely. Noticeable. Check this out, fish galore down there. So we've got these lovely little bars along here. And then back over there is where the main beach is. Look how big this palm tree is. Enormous. Stands strong alone. Check him out with a throw. The coconut man with a throw.